is going on, guys? It's LionVaults back with another video. This one's similar to what's just been uploaded yesterday or today, whenever I decide to upload this one, which will probably be tomorrow. So when you're watching it, it'll be now. Anyway, jumping into this, I made an AMD based build. So I was trying to involve an NVIDIA one and do price performance thing just by looking through here. And if you've seen that one, then this is kind of like part 2. It was originally supposed to be like a £700 build, but it kind of went further in because this motherboard was the best I could find for money and new-ish. So I went with this. It kind of off-brute everything. So, and some of the other stuff you got to take into consideration is price is different to Newegg, or if you want to get second hand or whatever. So there's that. But jumping straight into this is an MSI motherboard. So look, you can see here, that's what this name is. It's a Skylake 6th generation Intel CPU socket, so it's pretty new. It's got all the bells and whistles, well, quite a few. It's DDR4, so it's newer than the AMD build. But yeah, again, it's all gonna come at a cost. So in Overclock UK, there's only 2 in stock until they restock. So if you see this and want to come here to get this particular motherboard, you might want to hurry up and get those because 2's left in stock. By the way, it's not sponsored, it's just a website different from Newegg and comparisons between websites and stuff. So yeah, this is an Intel i5, so it's supposedly cheap. And that the only downside is this is a dual core, if that's right. So it's gonna be lack on power and stuff. So that's a bad thing. Oh no, quad. I don't know what it is, but it was the cheapest I could find on here for like a Skylake CPU, unless I went into an i3, and that'd be stupid. So the only downside is this CPU cannot be overclocked, so you're stuck with like 1.7 gigahertz. So take that into mind as well. This is some HyperX like Kingston RAM, 8 gigabytes. There's 2, so yeah, it's DDR4. You gotta remember that. A motherboard should support this. Or I think it does. So it's a nice kit RAM. Very good. It's like DDR4, so it matches. This is an MSI GTX 6 960. The reason we went for the 960 is because we were trying to stick to like the 700 cost build to match the AMD build. Well, theme buildy kind of ish, but it was supposed to be as cheap as I could do, so around 700, but so far it wasn't going great because I was going to try and fit a 970, sorry about that, 970 into the build, but it was too cost effective on here, so you need to take, that's a big crunch that's gonna be cut on numbers, but it's a nice card anyway. 750 watt power supply, bronze platinum, done by Corsair, very nice. This case is the best I could find for the money. It seems like an alright case. It has hard drive bays, SSD mounter on the back. It's good for if you wanted to route cables and do cable management. I like this water cooling block because it'll fit and you can use it in any type of build, and you can change the little LED colours and that. And then this little devil, you will definitely want, I disagree with this price though. You could probably pick up, I think cheapest I've seen on Newegg it's £60. You can get them for about like 65, around that mark. But it's not bad. I've got this hard drive myself. It's really nice, good, and yeah, there's a bit of information. I quite like it and I use it myself, so that's why I've used it in this. And here's the hard drive, a 1 TB black, good for like storing games and stuff. You can see all of this and any information you need you can pause. So that's it, and that came to 800 and about say £32. So that is a hell of a lot more expensive than the AMD build. And I think the only thing I think it lack in most departments next to the AMD build. So I'm pretty stable with that. Considering AMD one you could overclock and any of that. This particular build you can't, because Intel's CPUs that don't have a K cannot be overclocked. So yeah, again, that's what I mean by take that in mind. I hope you enjoyed this build type thing. Technically this will be a second part to it, but don't forget to like, comment on both videos, that'll be appreciated. Thank you for watching, and peace.